Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology. In today's video, we will cover a very different topic. We will try to understand the exact difference between Mahadasha, Antardasha and Pratyantardasha. So this is a very important concept in Vedic astrology and all events are timed as per these three dashas as well as the current transits of planets. So let us understand this in a simple way and let us see what exactly is the difference between these. Now, if you look at the typical Indian government structure, we have a central government which is currently led by Modi ji, and there are separate state governments. So you may have state government 1, state government 2, state government 3, state government 4 and so on, and below each state government there is a district level governance. So the central government is like the Mahadasha Lord and the state governments represent the Antardasha Lords. Now if the state governments do not gel well with the central government, then there are bound to be clashes like what you are seeing right now. The Modi government may not gel well with the West Bengal government. So there is a problem there. Now if the state government works in synchronization with the central government, then that period goes relatively smooth. And now below each state government you have district level governance. This is also very important. If the district level governance is not proper, the state level governance will suffer, or if there is a clash between the state governance and the district governance, then there is a problem during that period. So to get good results in any Mahadasha, these three governments have to work in sync with each other. Now let us understand this with another example. In any IT organization or service organization, you will have a set of managers, say M1, M2, M3, M4, and below each manager you will have certain number of leads, say L1, L2, L3, and below each lead you will have certain number of team members, T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on up to T9. Now the manager is responsible for the overall functioning of the account. The manager takes major decisions related to the account. The leads are supposed to implement that decision in a proper way. The leads in turn give the team members the instructions to carry out the project. They manage the team members. Now suppose the relationship between the lead and the manager is not good, or there are fights between the lead and the manager, or there are fights between the team members and the lead, then the output is not going to be good. So here the manager is like the Mahadasha Lord, the lead is the Antardasha Lord, and the team members are the Pratyantar Dasha Lords. So again, to get a proper output for the project, all these three levels have to work in sync with each other. Now let us consider the grahas as the managers, leads and team members. Let us say Guru Mahadasha is going on for a person. The Guru Mahadasha is for 16 years. Now under Guru you will have different leads. All the other planets become the leads in this case. That is, Guru himself first becomes the lead. Then you have Shani, Budh, Ketu, Shukra, Surya, Chandra, Mangal, Rahu. So each of these will have a certain controlling influence during the entire Mahadasha. Therefore, the first Antardasha within the Guru Mahadasha is the Guru Antardasha. Then within the Guru Mahadasha, you have the Shani Antardasha and so on. The last Antardasha within the Guru Mahadasha will be the Rahu Mahadasha. Now grahas are different. They function as managers, they function as leads, they also function as team members. So when one graha is the manager, the remaining grahas will function as the leads and the team members simultaneously. Now again the same concept applies. If there is a friction between the lead and the manager, or the team member and the lead, or the team member and the manager, the end result is going to not be good. So this is in short the concept of Mahadasha, Antardasha and Pratyantardasha. Now how do you calculate the duration of the Antardasha? Let us say we know that Guru Mahadasha is going on and Guru's Mahadasha is for a total of 16 years. Now we want to calculate the duration of Shani Antardasha within Guru Mahadasha. Now how much is Shani's Mahadasha? It is 19 years. Guru's Mahadasha is 16 years. So what you should do is 16 multiplied by 19 upon 120, where 120 is the total number of years of the Vimshottari Mahadasha. So this way you can calculate every Antardasha period as the product of Mahadasha period into the Antardasha Lord Mahadasha period divided by 120. This way you will know the duration of the Antardasha. Similarly, this can further be extrapolated to the Pratyantardasha. Now I will give you another example. Suppose in a corporate organization, a client is visiting tomorrow. Now the boss decides that we have to put him up in a meeting room, put him up in a hotel, arrange conveyance for him to travel to the office, and also arrange food for this client. Now let us say the manager gives this responsibility to the lead. The lead is now supposed to help the manager to book the cab, to book the hotel room, and to book the food. Now all this is done. Next day the client is coming to the office. He also has a cab. Now some food has to be given to this client, or some drinks have to be given to this client. Let us assume a cup of coffee has to be given to this client. Now what the lead does is he will assign this task to a team member or to a canteen boy. So the canteen boy will bring the tea for the client. Now if the canteen boy is not happy, now there is a minor chance he can deliberately drop the cup of coffee on the client, and this can have very negative results. So Pratyantardasha is what is the canteen boy. The lead who is making all the arrangements or setting up the event is the Antardasha Lord, and the Mahadasha Lord is the one who decides the overall scope of what should happen. So again, all three have to work in sync with each other. Otherwise, that period is not going to be good, or there will be a failure in that time. This is the way Mahadasha, Antardasha and Pratyantardasha operates in any horoscope or any birth chart. So I hope I have made the difference between these three very clear. So let me now summarize this for you. Within every Mahadasha, you have sub-periods of different planets called Antardasha. Now if the Antardasha Lord works well with the Mahadasha Lord, that period goes good for you. So not the entire Mahadasha will be bad. There will be good periods within every Mahadasha. The Mahadasha Lord is the one who decides the scope of the event. He delegates the implementation to the Antardasha Lord, who in turn sets up the event, arranges everything, and ensures the end result is delivered with the help of the Pratyantardasha Lord. So Mahadasha Lord is the manager who decides how an event must go. Antardasha Lord sets up the stage and arranges everything. And Pratyantardasha Lord is the one who helps the Antardasha Lord to deliver the exact result. So friends, I will conclude this video here. Hope you like this video. For any queries, you can write to us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com and we'll be glad to assist you. You may also visit our website astroseva.tripod.com. So friends, thanks a lot. Bye. Take care and stay safe.